Hi, apparently that last video didn't fully process, so let's try this again. So go to zoom.us and then go ahead and click sign in. I think you'll sign in with your regular username and password. All right, then you will go to reports and you'll go to usage and then put in a time period. Note you can do just a maximum report of 1 month long. So I did it for all of September. And here are my reports. Over on the side here, I can click on the meeting, like this was our tech time, and here were all of the participants in tech time. You can also export it if you want to, and it'll export it as a CSV file, which is an Excel file, and then you can upload into into your G Drive, Google Drive. So hopefully this one works. Let me know if you have any questions.